Good morning to all of you, dear students. Today we will discuss a new chapter, Women, Caste and Reform. So in this chapter we will read about the reformation of the woman caste, women and lower caste as well. So have you ever thought of how children lived about 200 years ago? Nowadays most girls from middle class families go to school and often study with boys. So as you see there is a co-education in a present day, but 17 18 or before 17 18 years 17th time there were no such of schools, and no girls go to the school. Okay, so on growing up many of them go to college and university right now, but that time there was no facility. Okay, 200 years ago things was very different, were very different. Most children were married off at an early age. Both Hindu and Muslim men could marry more than one wife, okay, in some parts of the country. So that is a, in 2000 200 years ago, there were the things were very different at that time. And women who died in a manner, so basically there were कि सती जो system है, it was happen. And a woman who died in this manner, whether willingly or otherwise, were called sati, meaning virtuous woman. So basically, as I told you, कि women rights to property were also restricted. So basically, they have not right. ठीक है, तो women के जो rights थे, they were violated at that time. ओके, दे हैव नॉट राइट, गर्ल्स के पास कोई राइट्स नहीं थे. ठीक है, वुमेन के पास कोई राइट्स नहीं थे. ठीक है, सती जो एक कस्टम है, दैट वाज वेरी sinful custom that we can say it was happen at that time. Okay, differences between men and women were not only one in society. In most region people were divided along lines of caste. You know about there were Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaisya, and Sudras. So basically, in the society there were lower caste or upper caste. In the You can see the discrimination from the lower and upper caste, and girls and boys as well. Okay, so what had been changed in 200 years ago? So we will see and we will discuss ki how the changes has been come, and why the changes is necessary. Okay, so working towards it. So from the early 19th century we can debate and discussion about social customs and practices taking on a new character. One important reason for this was the development of new forms of communication for the first time. Books, newspaper, magazines, leaflet, leaflets, and pamphlets were printed. So देखो how the changes has been come, as I told you that there were new forms of communication has been arise. So basically books, newspaper and magazines has been come. So that time all kind of issues, social, political, economical and religious, could now be debated and discussed by the men, and sometimes by women as well. Okay, so the discussion could reach out to a wider public. ठीक है, तो इसलिए क्या हुआ कि धीरे धीरे चेंजेस आने लगे सोसाइटी में. दे नो कि हाउ, मतलब दे नो about the things in a better manner. Okay, these debates were often initiated by Indian reformers and reform groups. One such reformer was Raja Ram Mohan Rai. So as we have discussed in our class that Raja Ram Mohan Rai 1772 to 1833, he was founded a reforms association known as ब्रह्म समाज, लास्ट बाद में वो नाम जानी गई ब्रह्म समाज के नाम से, इन कलकत्ता. सो इट इज़ कि he was thought about the society. That's why he wanted to a necessary reform in the society or the changes. ठीक है, they thought that the best way to ensure such changes was by persuading people to give up old practices and adopt a new way of life. ठीक है। Ram Mohan Roy was named to spread the knowledge of Western education in the country and bring about greater freedom and equality for women. So he was, fought against the discrimination which is done by that society, we can say. Okay, changing the lives of widows. तो देखो, राम मोहन राय was particularly moved by the problems widows face in their lives. He began a campaign against the practices of sati. ठीक है, and as you know कि राम मोहन राय was कि scholar person and well versed in Sanskrit Persian and several other Indian and European language. So he tried to show through his writings that the practice of widow burning had no sanction in an ancient text. By the early 19th century, as you have read in chapter 7, many British officials had also begun to criticize Indian tradition and customs. So basically, देखो, British has also criticized these Indian customs and traditions because that is a fact also कि there were no reason to sati custom कि to not send those girls to the school. So basically Ram Mohan Rai was who was reputed to be learned man in 1829 तो सती क्या हो गई, बैन हो गई, ठीक है, बिकॉज ही वांटेड टू बैन द सती. तो फाइनली 1829 में ब्रिटिश ने क्या कर दिया, ब्रिटिशर्स ने सती प्रथा को या सती कस्टम को बैन कर दिया, प्रैक्टिसेस जो होती थी. सो द स्ट्रेटजी अडॉप्टेड बाय राम मोहन वाज यूज्ड बाय लेटर रिफॉर्म्स एज वेल. Whenever they wished to challenge a practice that seemed harmful, they tried to find a verse or sentence in the ancient sacred text that support their point of view. ठीक है. So basically Ram Mohan Roy was he was a scholar and he was know about the many languages and he was know about the ancient texts are ancient text also. ठीक है. If you will see, this is the हुक स्विंगिंग फेस्टिवल. तो यहाँ पर देखो ये अपने आप को कि खुद को उन्होंने लटका रखा है. ठीक है. दिस वाज द customs or practices at that time. ठीक है. But this is not कि good for all people and the society. For instance, one of the most famous reformer is Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar. So that was one most important reformer. Ishwar Chand Vidyasagar used the ancient text to suggest that video could remarry. His suggestion was adopted by British officials. तो British official ने ही adopt कर लिया इनका suggestion. In 1856 में he was permitting widow remarriage. कि widow at that time widow were not remarriages. So basically देखो दे हैव अ राइट ऑल्सो ना कि वो रिमैरिज कर सकते हैं. जब मैन कर सकता है तो वुमेन भी कर सकते हैं. ओके. तो ये परमिटेड किया ब्रिटिश ऑफिसर ने दैट इज अडॉप्टेड एंड 1856 में परमिटिंग देती टू विडो मैरिज. ओके. सो बाय द सेकेंड हाफ ऑफ द 19th century the movement in favor of widow remarriage spread to other parts of the country in Telugu speaking areas of the Madras presidency. So it was spread this permission. Virsulingam Pantlu formed an association for widow remarriage. तो जो वीरसालिंगम पंतलू हैं, he was make a association for widow remarriage, and around the same time a young intellectual and reforms in Bombay pledged themselves to working for the same cause in the north. ठीक है. तो स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती who founded एसोसिएशन आर्य समाज also supported widow remarriage. तो जो स्वामी दयानंद सरस्वती हैं, he was also support the widow remarriage. Yet the number of widows who actually remarried remained low. Those who married were not easily accepted in society, and conservative groups continued to oppose the new law. So देखो conservative groups ने दे अपोज द न्यू लॉज एज ओके. उन्होंने करना ही था कि अगर कुछ अच्छी चीज़ें होती हैं तो कुछ ख़राब चीज़ें भी होती हैं. तो बेसिकली ये चीज़ भी हुई कि जो कंजर्वेटिव और जो स्टीरियोटाइप थिंकिंग के जो ग्रुप्स के लोग थे, दे कंटिन्यू टू अपोज द न्यू लॉ. ओके. ओके. सो नाउ वी विल girls being going to school. We will discuss about this topic in the next video. So तब तक के लिए goodbye. Have a good day to all of you.